I've always paid attention to the small things. That didn't stop when I left the shop. I just do it in a different place now. When you spend your life noticing details, you don't turn that off. It comes with you. I'm not hiking to get somewhere. I'm hiking to be here. Out here, nothing is in a hurry, and everything still gets done. This way of walking has changed how I think about everything else. That's what this channel is becoming. This is what inspires me.